a wash station nearby. So clean. My car is so dirty. I need to wash my car. Here is your money.
Welcome to our car wash.
Please clean my dirty car.
Okay. I'll begin the wash now.
Car wash soaps. How to build the soap cannon machine. Step 1. Build the engine. Add the gears. Step 2. Build the soap dispenser. Add the chain. Test it.
Ready to get your car clean.
Water.
Wow, your car is shiny.
Thanks for the clean.
How to build the pressure cleaner pump. Add pump nozzle. Add the engine and the battery.
Please help me clean my garbage truck.
I'm always willing.
Thank you for the great service.